Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to set up and configure Yahoo Mail in Microsoft Outlook. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Mail. Click Email Accounts. Click New. Check Manual Setup or additional server types. Check POP or IMAP. Type name and email address. Account type POP3. Incoming mail server pop.mail.yahoo.com. Outgoing mail server smtp.mail.yahoo.com. Type user mail address and password. Click More Settings. Click Outgoing Server. Check My outgoing server SMTS requires authentication. Click Advanced tab. Incoming server 995. Check this server requires an encrypted connection. Outgoing server 587. Select Auto. Change days. Click OK. Click Test Account Settings. Click Account Info. Click Account Security. Click Next. Click Password. Click Manage App Passwords. Select Outlook Desktop. Click Generate. Copy password and paste it. Click OK. Click Close. Click Next. Click Finish. Type Outlook in Windows search bar. Click Outlook. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.